I am Denzel Enteres, and today I will be presenting our project entitled Operating System Simulation Program. Operating system is the one of the most important foundation of computer science. However, many concepts such as CPU scheduling, process synchronization, deadlock management, and memory allocation are often difficult to visualize using traditional lectures alone. To address this challenge, we will develop a simulation-based learning platform that transforms theoretical operating system concept interactive demonstration through visualize, calculation, and real-time analysis. Users can be better understand how operating system manage process, resource, and memory. In this demonstration, we will explore the four major components of our system and observe how each module provides practical solutions to common operating system problems. Let us begin with CPU. The first module of our system focuses on CPU scheduling algorithm. CPU scheduling is responsible for determining which process will be executed by the processor and in what order. Our program allows users to input process information, include arrival time and burst time. The system then performs scheduling computation automatically. The first algorithm demonstrated is the first come first served or FCFS. In the method, process are executed according to their arrival order. And the next is shortest job first, where the process with the smallest burst time receive a priority, and this the output of the SGF or the shortest job first. And we also implement shortest remaining time first or SRTF, which allows preemption whenever a shortest process arrives. And this is the output of the SRTF. Finally, round-robin scheduling distributes CPU fairly among processes using configurable time quantum. For each algorithm, the system generates a Gantt chart and computes average with time, turnaround time, and compute time. Through this simulation, students can easily compare scheduling performance and understanding the strength and limitation of each algorithm. And look, this is the output of the round robin. The second module focuses on the process synchronization. In a multitasking environment, multiple processes may attempt to access shared resources simultaneously without a proper synchronization. Complex inconsistency may occur. To demonstrate synchronization concept, our program includes the producer-consumer problem. In this simulation, producer process generates data while consumer process retrieves data from a shared buffer. The system illustrates how synchronization mechanisms ensure that the buffer is accessed safely, efficiently. And this is the output of producer-consumer problem. The second synchronization example is a sleeping barber problem. This scenario models a barber shop where consumers arrive randomly and may either receive the service or wait depending on seat availability. Through visualization and simulation, users can be observed how synchronization techniques coordinate process execution while preventing conflict and maintaining the system stability. And this is the output of the sleeping barber. Third module demonstrates the deadlock management. Deadlock occurs when multiple processes are waiting independently for resources help one another, causing the system to become stalled. To address this issue, our program implements several deadlock-related techniques. The first is demonstrate utilize the resource allocate graph or RAG. This graphical represent allow user to analyze relationship between process resources in the order that detect potential deadlock. The system prevents the circular dependencies from forming. And this is the deadlock detection output. The second demonstration focuses on circular waste prevention. By controlling the order in which resources are requested, the system prevents the circular dependencies from forming. Finally, we implement the bunker algorithm, a well-known deadlock avoidance technique. The algorithm evaluates resources requests and determines whether granting them will keep the system in a safe state. This simulation helps users understand how operating system maintaining resources availability while preventing deadlock situations. Fourth module focuses on the memory management. Efficient memory allocation is critical for maintaining system performance and maximizing resources utilization. Our program demonstrates several memory allocation strategies. The first strategy is first fit, which allocates the first available memory block that satisfy a process requirements. The third strategy is the best fit. We select the smallest suitable memory block in order to minimize waste space. The worst fit, which allocate the largest available block to leave larger remaining free participation during the simulation. Users can observe memory allocate results, block utilization, internal fragmentation, and remaining memory space. By comparing these strategies, users gain a deeper understanding how operating system manage memory efficiency. That's for all for today. Thank you.